at General Santos City, and behind me you can see a lot of tricycles. They call it tricycle. So if you want to take a ride on their tricycle, you just hop in. You just hop in. It's called a tricycle. It may be called tuk-tuk in other countries like Bangkok, but we don't call it that way. They just call it tricycle. The word for ride is sakay. So if you want to ride, sakay na. Get on. So I think they have color coding for certain areas, but the minimum fare here is 10 pesos for the shortest ride. So they call it gis. Gis is 10. So just 10 each, gis. Or maybe in Ilonggo, it's pulo. So 10. This is Joan of Arc. I'm here at SM. Actually, I'm on my way there. I'm just amazed at the kind of transportation they have here. So see you again in our next video. Bye for now. Let's have fun in Gensan. So go wonder ko kung ano siya made of. Sin. And then I think my lights sa gabi. Yes, let's have fun in Gensan here at SM.